Welcome to the Healthy Guide. Are you ready to dive into the best sports for weight loss and uncover the secrets to losing belly fat while living a longer, healthier life? If so, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. 1. Swimming. Swimming is a fantastic full-body workout that's gentle on your joints, yet powerful enough to target stubborn belly fat. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or enjoying a leisurely swim, you're engaging almost every muscle in your body. It's low impact, making it perfect for all fitness levels, and it burns a whopping number of calories. Plus, swimming improves cardiovascular health, helps tone muscles, and boosts flexibility. What's even better is that swimming is a highly adaptable sport. You can choose between freestyle, breaststroke, backstroke, or butterfly to switch up your routine and challenge different muscle groups. The water's resistance adds an extra layer of intensity, helping you build strength while staying cool. Beyond the physical benefits, swimming is also a calming activity that reduces stress and improves mental clarity. It's a workout for both your body and mind, making it an ideal choice for overall wellness. 2. Cycling. Cycling is another exciting way to shed those extra pounds while having fun. Whether you're pedaling through scenic trails or hitting the stationary bike at the gym, this sport burns calories fast, especially belly fat. It strengthens your lower body muscles, improves cardiovascular health, and gives you an exhilarating sense of freedom. Cycling is a versatile activity that fits into any schedule, whether it's a quick 30-minute ride or a long weekend adventure. One of the great things about cycling is its adaptability. You can challenge yourself with hilly terrains for an intense workout or take a leisurely ride to unwind. For city dwellers, cycling can even double as a mode of transportation, helping you stay active while reducing your carbon footprint. It's also a fantastic social activity. You can join cycling groups or participate in events to stay motivated. Plus, tracking your progress with apps or devices adds an extra layer of excitement to your fitness journey. 3. Low explosive lunges. Now we're taking it down a notch, but only in height. Low explosive lunges keep you close to the ground, forcing your legs to work overtime. These are fantastic for building agility, speed, and endurance. Picture yourself dodging and weaving during a fight. This movement will improve your reaction time and strengthen those fast-twitch muscle fibers that Muay Thai is all about. Focus on maintaining perfect form. Keep your chest up, core tight, and gaze forward to ensure you're getting the most out of this move. Feel the burn in your quads, hamstrings, and glutes as you explode off the ground with every lunge. Staying low throughout the exercise not only boosts your lower body endurance, but also enhances your stability, which is vital for executing precise strikes. Incorporating slow, controlled movements between explosive reps helps you train your muscles for both power and precision. Over time, you'll notice improved balance and a stronger connection between your mind and body, essential for martial arts and beyond. 4. Explosive MMA push-ups. Let's give your upper body some love with explosive MMA push-ups. These aren't your ordinary push-ups. By switching your hand positions wide, narrow, or staggered, you're targeting different areas of your chest, triceps, and shoulders. Push-ups like these simulate the power needed for Muay Thai strikes and help you build strength to stay healthy and injury-free. The more explosive your movement, the stronger you'll get. Focus on generating maximum upward force by driving through the palms of your hands with every push. Imagine each push-up as a punch hitting its target, reinforcing the connection between strength and precision. As you advance, try incorporating claps or lifting one hand briefly to test your stability and coordination. The varied hand positions not only keep things interesting, but also reduce the likelihood of overusing any one muscle group. Over time, you'll build a balanced upper body that can handle the rigors of intense training and competition. Let's spice things up with 180-degree jump squats. This plyometric exercise is perfect for improving lower body power and quick directional changes. Imagine preparing your legs for MMA-style pivots, kicks, and takedowns. It's intense but exhilarating. You'll also be working on balance and stability as you master the rotations. Not only is it a killer calorie burner, but it also keeps your workouts exciting. Whether you're chasing weight loss goals or just looking for variety, this move delivers on all fronts. Plus, the boost in leg strength will make everyday activities feel like a breeze. 5. Matrix push-ups aren't your run-of-the-mill exercise. By adding unilateral and circular movements, this workout activates your core, chest, and shoulders in ways standard push-ups don't. It's an incredible way to build functional strength while improving flexibility and control. Picture yourself flowing through the movements with precision. It's like practicing martial arts on the ground. These push-ups challenge your stability and coordination, keeping your mind engaged and your muscles guessing. Ready to feel like Neo dodging bullets? Channel your inner action hero and embrace the challenge. Before we jump into more workouts, let me know, are you enjoying this guide so far? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments if you've tried these exercises before or are excited to dive in. Endurance training. Leg endurance is the secret sauce for powerful kicks, quick footwork, and explosive jumps. Focus on exercises like lunges, squat holds, and calf raises to build strength and resilience in your lower body. These moves not only prepare you for MMA, but also improve everyday activities like running, climbing stairs, or carrying heavy loads. As your leg endurance improves, you'll notice a boost in stamina during longer workouts. Remember, strong legs are the foundation of a strong body, so give them the attention they deserve. 9. Mental toughness through fatigue drills. MMA isn't just about physical prowess, it's a test of mental grit. Fatigue drills like high-rep circuits or time-based challenges push you to train under exhaustion, simulating real fight scenarios. These workouts teach you to stay composed, maintain technique, and keep going when your body is screaming to stop. Building mental toughness not only enhances your fitness journey, but also spills over into other areas of life. Discipline, resilience, and focus. These are the qualities you'll forge as you push past your limits. Your fitness journey is unique, and your workouts should reflect that. Customize your MMA-inspired routine by adjusting exercise combinations, rest intervals, and intensity levels to match your goals and fitness level. Whether you're focusing on weight loss, muscle building, or skill development, the flexibility of these workouts allows you to stay on track. By tailoring your routine, you'll stay motivated, avoid plateaus, and keep challenging yourself. Consistency is key, and a personalized plan makes it easier to stay committed. So, what are you waiting for? They're a path to building strength, endurance, and self-confidence. Share your favorite exercise from the list or the one you're most excited to try in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The Healthy Guide, hit the bell icon for updates, and join our community of fitness enthusiasts. Together, we'll conquer our goals and live healthier, happier lives. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. See you next time.